Are we at the beach again?
At the beach again.
We have visitors.
About to take some of these green toys we got on sale at Whole Foods to make a show down at the beach.
You stepped on something sharp? Uh-oh. What did you step on, buddy?
My foot went like this on a rock.
Oh, yikes. We don't even know if we can actually get to the beach from up here. Doesn't look like it.
Look, a carrot.
A carrot? I don't think that's a carrot. Some other kind of plant.
There might be a walkway down there.
That's gonna take...
Quite the hike.
No, I'm not gonna be able to go down there with River.
Yeah, you are.
Heck no, I'm not coming back up that. I'm not gonna go all the way down that mountain and walk back up that thing. Is he crazy? I haven't exercised in a year.
Now's the time. Now.
Let's do it.
Look at that, it looks fine going down, but coming back up.
Come on, we're gonna go this way. See that? See where all those people are?
No way. No. My arm is being twisted and I'm being dragged down this mountain. Usually I wouldn't be so quick to say I don't want to do something like this that's strenuous or exercise, but specifically because I have her now, she could just start crying or freaking out at any moment. Me trying to get myself up a mountain. Come on.
Oh, a shortcut, yeah. Here.
Take a little bit of time.
A little bit. How's it coming?
Well, we're only going downhill right now. That's not the issue. It's a beautiful view. Does make me quite nervous though. Just amazing views.
Good girl.
What's her name?
This is Ruby.
Hey, Ruby. Sure. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is her?
She
This
loves
is.
that there. That's her favorite thing. That is rolling in the grass.
All right. See you later,
All right,
Ruby.
guys. See ya. Have a good one.
You made it.
What I want to know is
The poodle beat us. We got some trucks. We're gonna go shell hunting.
Don't pretty much the race that the dog won. The dog won the race. The dog won the race. The dog won the race.
She did. She wins.
You super
I had
fast.
to let her go. I let her go, but she's not allowed here, so we're gonna go back on.
Oh,
Have a good one.
shoot. We won't report you.
No, I 8 weeks sounds what? About 4 years? 6.
You made it. Finally, we were waiting forever for you.
Just kidding.
It's so worth it though.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
Dude.
I'm actually glad I came down because this is my theory about exercise anyways. First of all, it has to be out in nature. There's like a reason you're doing what you're doing. And once I get down here, I'm pretty much because I have to go back up to get home. I put myself in a predicament, but I'm actually accomplishing something.
It's
and
survival.
It's a barrier to me moving on in my life, not getting up there. Look at this beauty. Oh,
Look at Axel. He's like, yes, I'm at home. He's that little speck right there. I want you to keep going. Run all the way through all of them, okay?
You kept one. That's one.
They all flew away. What does that mean?
I don't know. The people behind us, I think, were like, oh no, what are they doing?
Like, we were watching those beautiful seagulls. You know, that's life. If there was a predator out here.
I think a kid running towards seagulls at the beach is fine. Like, I don't think it's going to traumatize the seagulls.
Is it cold? Is the water cold? Are you finding shells already? We're about to make a show about us finding shells with our trucks.
I love the clamshells. Oh!
That is so beautiful. Wow.
That is really beautiful.
Oh my gosh.
The husband points. He's taking my shoes and socks off because I have a baby attached to me. Best husband in the world award goes to that one.
That guy over there.
Yep, that one. I just took off my shoes because I need to feel this earth underneath my feet. You've got to get grounded. When you connect your feet to the earth, magic happens. You just start to feel better. Woo! Somebody wrote something on the beach over here and I'm pretty sure it says, "Can you see this?" GMCOF. You got me. You're looking for your shells? Daddy has them. He's calling us over here.
Very delicate shell.
We found a very delicate shell. Ooh, let me see, let me see.
Now hold it
Oh my gosh, wow. Super thin.
Look, it's a super thin shell.
Wow. Yeah, that could break.
Might have found the other half.
Probably not.
The boys are recording an Axel Show. Love, love, love these nature episodes. Totally more up our alley, even though they are using toys. It's like we're out in nature using toys, so you have to get outside.
Walking around like moving a truck and squatting.
Really good workout.
Workout for my legs.
So awesome. Get them nice and sore before we go climb up that. River girl is still asleep. Tucked in there nice and cozy. So sweet. And I'm just enjoying the scenery still. There's these guys up here. And that's where we have to get back to. All the way up there. Patrick's like, that's no big deal. You're just carrying an infant and are totally out of shape. But we're gonna make it happen. Patrick's over there with Axel, trying to end the show, but I don't think Axel wants to. Why would you want to end the show? That means the fun's over, right? All right, it's time to exit the beach. To the mountain.
That's
That's
what is that?
super gross.
It's some kind of fisher bird. I forgot what it's called.
A fishing bird?
Yeah, well, it's got web feet.
It's really gross.
Just
Dead
definitely
bird.
don't touch that. Up, up, up to the top. Can you make it?
I have 2 more cells.
2 more shells? Dude, yeah, it's all easy talk for me. I don't have to carry a baby all the way up there.
Let's put these cells back.
Oh my gosh, that sunset is beautiful. Bye, sunset.
Let's put these cells in the bag.
In the bag? Okay, here, just stick them in this bag right here. There you go. It's alright, we're not slow, you are.
This girl was down there and she wrote that. I made it.
What did she make? Did she make that in the sand?
She made this hike probably, but we have not made this hike yet. We still have a ways.
Oh, we have.
Up the mountain.
Put it in. Break. I have a real tough break though. But here's the bench. Here are the bench break.
Is it pretty challenging
To do what?
to hike up this mountain?
Garden took like
Not a joke.
10 minutes.
Wow. My muscles are going to be sore tomorrow. We're almost done with the hike. Almost there. And I think after we get to the top, we're going to go ahead and say goodbye because we're just going to go home, eat, and sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe and go hike a mountain.
Oh, look at that. All those pastels over there.
So beautiful. Do you guys want to say bye?
Bye, homies.
Do you want to say bye?
Literally.
Bye.
All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching.
Get out and hike when you got a baby. It's fun.
Skills. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.
This is my signature voice because I'm tired.
And
Signature lap.
you guys are goofy. They're goofy.
Goofers.
We're on our way home, but I just had to get one cute little shot of River Girl.
Oh, okay.
So sweet.
Oh.
I love you. Say bye. Give us a thumbs up.
2 thumbs way up.
Love you, girl.